Ready? Cool. Spine straight. Namaskaram. Namaskaram. Now we'll speak something about the food that we consume on a daily basis. Like yoga is not just about like twisting, turning, doing rigorous kind of activity in whatever form that you do your yoga for that 45 minutes to 1 hour. Apart from that 1 hour, now we have to consider that what we are trying to do the next 23 hours, because considering a normal average population, they consume food minimum 3 times, right? At least minimum 3 times, and sometimes we end up eating 4 to 5 times also. So we think about weight loss, we think about things are going bad with us, or we think about disease not letting us go. Every time we end up with some or other kind of problem. The major source of problem is the food that is being consumed. We always think about proteins, vitamins, minerals, and so on. Now we are bombarding ourselves with lots and lots of food, which in turn is somewhere it is causing the problem within ourselves because of high consumption of food, right? So now what I wanted you to do is just one simple rule that can be followed. When the food is in front of you, just ask a question that whether this food which is in front of me, whether it is going to serve me or it is going to destroy you. Because at times or most of the times that the food which is in front of you, your body doesn't need it at all. It's just your mind wants it. So आपको देखना है कि आपका मन भूखा है कि या शरीर भूखा है. That what you have to see is that whether your mind is hungry or your body is hungry, and from within yourself, when the answer comes that no, the mind is making me to do this, or before approaching, like suppose for an example, you are coming on the road and then you have witnessed this pani puri on the side of the road, and then they are selling out, and then people are having blast there, and then you got mouth watering. Just think about it, and then just ask this question within yourself that whether does my body need it really, or is my mind is making me to do that? Just one question. If the answer comes from your body, see, I'm hungry and then I need to have this, then you should definitely go forward and do things accordingly. And if the mind is hungry and then it has nothing to do with the body, then see that you are strong enough to have a control over that. That's very important. Differentiating things and taking the decision is more important. Because in this challenging situations where IT department, marketing, so many different fields are there, even in teaching also, right? We are stressed up. We have to meet expectations of others. Hence, stress is one thing which comes up. So we end up in eating. Other things which are not good for us. Emotional eating that we say. So see that you are protecting yourself from such kind of situations, because that's important. Because if it happens for 1 or 2 days, then that's completely fine. But if it is happening for a longer period of time, endlessly, very often, then somewhere or other you are your potential is going down, and then you need to protect yourself. That's very important, right? Please think about that. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.